Welcome back. So dalam video ni saya akan bincangkan cara nak bagi nama untuk hydrocarbon compound. I will discuss in this video how to name a hydrocarbon compound according to the IUPAC naming system. Of course, remember guys, in order to really understand, dia kan untuk memberi nama untuk IUPAC system untuk hydrocarbon ni, dia ada 3 bahagian. It consists of a 3 part. The first part, let's focus over here. Kita ada prefix, then kita ada root, dan kita ada suffix. Jadi, when you combine prefix, root, suffix, maka dia akan jadilah IUPAC naming system untuk a hydrocarbon. So, in short form, you can remember prefix, root, suffix ini in a very short form, you can remember as a PRS system. Just ingat, a PRS system to name the hydrocarbon. So, apa maksud prefix, root, suffix? Kita start dengan a root dulu. Root ni sebenarnya is refer to a total carbon. A total number of carbon. Let's say kalau kamu ada 1 carbon, maka nama dia mat, and it can go on as shown over here. Di mana it can be like mat, add, prop, boot, pen, hex, hep, org, non, deck. So, apa yang saya nak cakap, root ni sebenar-benarnya merujuk kepada total carbon in a particular molecule. Berapa bilangan karbon yang ada dalam sebuah molekul. Tetapi, dia ada satu benda yang kita kena jaga-jaga. In order to be a root, you must follow the longest continuous carbon. Syarat dia, it must be the longest continuous carbon. It must call longest continuous carbon. Dalam video ni saya akan bagi beberapa contoh how to name it according to the PRS system in a short while. So first thing you remember for SPM level, root is actually stand for total carbon, total number of carbon. Okay, and the longest chain. So without further ado, let's look at here. Okay, let's focus to the next part. Next part, I will focus on the suffix. Suffix ni sebenarnya merujuk kepada, if you look guys, suffix juga untuk refer to the functional group. For SPM level, we just learn only 5 suffix, which is, I call this an, in, all, oik, aid. Okay, this is the alkyne, alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid, and ester accordingly. So those are the functional group. Normally they will ask in the SPM. If they ask for an, what is a functional group? It's a carbon-carbon single bond. Carbon-carbon ikatan tunggal. Yang ni adalah carbon-carbon double bond. Ikatan ganda 2. Functional group dah hydroxyl, carboxyl, carboxyl. Itu adalah antara dia punya naming untuk functional group suffix. Then guys, let's proceed to the next one. Kita dah done with the root, we done with the suffix. The last will be the prefix. Prefix ni is actually referred to, if you focus over here, it's referred to the branches. So later I will show you a root that is a parents, and beside that root you're going to have a branch. That branch is called as a prefix carbon. So we will modify a name accordingly. Kalau dia ada 1 carbon, kita call methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl. And also, kalau dia berlaku repetition, guys, you must remember, kalau benda yang sama ulang 2 kali, we call it as a di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. Normally for SPM level dia sampai dekat tetra sahaja. Okay guys, let's look a few example how to name this, guys. In okay, I give you a very simple example. Katakan in SPM they give you something like this. You have a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remember guy, carbon compound, each atom carbon mesti ada 4 ikatan. So you already have 1 ikatan, 1 bonding, and it must have 4 because carbon have 4 valence electron. So it's already make 1 ikatan over here, 1 chemical bonding. So you have another here, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 over here. So you have 4 bonding, chemical bond, and each of these carbon love to make a bond with the hydrogen. Dia suka buat ikatan dengan hidrogen. So setiap ini akan ada ikatan dengan hidrogen. So as you can see dalam kumpulan ni, molekul ini, dia hanya ada carbon dan hydrogen. If you look the structure, it only consists of carbon and hydrogen. That's why molekul ini dipanggil sebagai hydrocarbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbon? Only consists of carbon and hydrogen. That's why it's hydrocarbon. But now the question is how to name this hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbon, okay, let's say according to the IUPAC naming system that we have discussed, I mentioned earlier, you must follow PRS. Okay guys, go back to the structure over here. I will change the color. Okay, we will start with the suffix. Suffix refer to the an, in, all, oik, and aid. Aid refer to the ester. Kalau tengok dekat structure ini, dia hanyalah single bond. There is no double bond, no oxygen in this molecular structure. Maka it must belong to the family of an. And also, guys, if you look, the next will be the root. Namakan benda ni memang PRS, tapi kita akan namakan dari belakang ke depan. Root, as I told you guys, root I have told you that is referred to longest continuous carbon chain. Kalau tengok, inilah longest continuous carbon chain. Ada berapa carbon? Ada 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. Therefore, as we have learned earlier, 4 carbon is referred to the wood. Therefore, tengok dekat structure ni, again, structure atas ni, ada tak any carbon that we left over yang kita tak masukkan ke dalam ni? So we notice all the carbon has been included in the root. Therefore, dia tak adalah mana-mana carbon tertinggal. Therefore, this structure tiada perfect. Maka ini adalah nama untuk this hydrocarbon, which is again you make it a single word as butane. This is the hydrocarbon name over there. So guys, please stay tuned. Saya akan bagi lebih banyak naming untuk IUPAC name for PRS or hydrocarbon on my next video. Stay tuned.